Monolithic versus microservices. Imagine you are building a house. Would you build one massive structure where everything is connected? Or would you create smaller, independent units that can grow separately? This is exactly how modern software systems are designed. In today's video, we'll clearly understand monolithic versus microservices architecture in the simplest way possible. Let's get started.
A monolithic architecture means the entire application is built as a single unified unit. Everything is tightly connected: the user interface, the business logic, and the database. All of this exists inside one code base. For example, think of an e-commerce application. The login system, product catalog, payment processing, and order management are all part of one single application. Now let's look at the advantages. It is simple to build in the beginning. Deployment is straightforward. But there are challenges. Scaling becomes difficult. A small bug can crash the entire system, and managing large teams becomes complicated. So monolithic systems are simple, but not very flexible.
Now let's talk about microservices architecture. In this approach, the application is divided into multiple small independent services. Each service is responsible for a specific function. For example, a user service, a payment service, and order service. These services communicate with each other using APIs. Unlike monolithic systems, each service can be developed, deployed, and scaled independently. This is why companies like Amazon and Netflix use microservices. Now let's look at the advantages. You can scale only the parts you need. Development becomes faster with multiple teams. Failures are isolated. One service fails, others still work. But there are also challenges. The system becomes complex to manage. You need strong DevOps and monitoring tools. Network communication can introduce delays. So microservices are powerful, but require careful planning.
Let's quickly compare both architectures. Monolithic architecture. Single code base, easy to start, hard to scale. Microservices architecture. Multiple services, complex to start, easy to scale. In simple terms, monolithic is simple but rigid. Microservices is flexible but complex. Both have their place, depending on your needs.
When should you use each approach? Use monolithic architecture if you are building a small application, you are in the early startup stage, you have a small team. Use microservices architecture if you are building a large-scale system, you expect high traffic, you have multiple teams working independently. A smart approach is start with monolithic and then gradually move to microservices as you grow. So, which architecture is better? The truth is, there is no perfect answer. It all depends on your project requirements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.